Hi. So we're cooking. Yeah, is this a cooking channel? No, this is me. This is my life channel. Okay. What? ሳሱ እንዴት ሰነበተች ይባላል። ዓለም እንዴት ሰነበተችን የምታስታውሱት ከሆነ we're all too old. Why are we alive? What are we even doing here? Why are we alive? Yeah. Mike alarakum, yes. I was honestly not even planning on doing this. But better you guys than for TikTok. But yes, okay. Hopefully one of you will see this. I'm making zucchini pasta. So the zucchini sugo saihon, the zucchini, I should stop saying zucchini, I think it's zucchini. Yeah, zucchini unda pasta net ነው የሚያገለግለው. It's supposed to be more healthy because pasta is carbs and I'm trying to be in my healthy girl era without wanting to end my life. And the one thing that I turn to when the going gets hard is food. So እሱን ሙሉ በሙሉ ማስወገድ ይከብደኛል. And I'm trying to, I don't know, I saw this I like zucchini, so I was like, why not, you know? እንጂ የተለየ ተአምር የለውም. I'm going to make bolognese sauce. And yeah, that is what's on the menu for dinner. ዛሬ ከነጋ ማለት ነው. I haven't had ጤነኛ ምግብ. Like thought I had to be somewhere, so I ate bombolino, and then ከቦምቦሊኖ በኋላ እቤት መጥቼ I had ወተት በቡና እያለ እዚህ ሰዓት ላይ ደርሰናል. This is the pasta. Smells like veggies. I don't want to use this part in case it's disgusting. And now ማይጣፍጥ ከሆነ እና ፍሬው ስለሚመር እስከማውቀው I don't want to use it. I'm just going to throw it out. Yeah, it was fun. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm like, if I'm filming, I should put on my mic and not be a lazy bum. Please don't look at my counter. It's very crowded. ማንሳት የምችላቸው ነገሮች አሉ. ለምሳሌ አሁን የዚህ ፀጉር ቅባት ለምንድነው እዚህ ያለው? I don't know, but it's here. ዱቄት ቲማቲም ባለፈው በጣም በሞራል ኪሎ ገዛሁኝና ቺላ ወርድላችሁሽ ኪሎ ገዛሁኝና ከዛ በኋላ አንዴ ብቻ ቲማቲም ቁርጥ ሰርቼ በዛው ቀረ. so hopefully ይቀላና I can put it in the refrigerator. It was $90. እንዲበላሽ አልፈልግም. አሁን ማንኛውንም አይነት የስጋ ስጎ ስትሰሩ look at these arms. Okay. ማንኛውንም የስጋ ስጎ ስትሰሩ እንደምታረጉት ትላላችሁ. This is not, by the way, me teaching you how to cook. This is just us hanging out. So የሆነ የምትሰሩት ነገር ሲኖር ለምሳሌ የራሳችሁን ምሳ ስትሰሩ you can just listen to me go on and on and on in the background. Yeah. And I'm just trying እንትን የሚለውን ሀሳብ ለማራመድ እየሞከርኩ ነው. Like everything is content የሚለውን ሀሳብ. So if you have to stare at my big arms, I mean, I could kill somebody with these. And my gorgeous hair, then so be it. You know what I mean? Yeah. So ድሮ መክተፍ እንደምችለው አልችልም አሁን ባሳዛኝ ሁኔታ. ትግስቱም የለኝም በእውነቱ ከሆነ ግን I think I'm pretty decent. I can chop pretty well. Do I think that everybody needs to know how to cook? አቃጠለኝ እኔ. Not really, to be honest with you. ግን I think all men should know how to cook. And that's not me being sexist because like I've said before, I love men. I have lots of guy friends. Good. There's this thing that happens when if a man doesn't know how to cook ማለት ነው. Actually ቢያቅ ራሱ የሆነ ፖይንት ላይ ሚስት ሲያገባ ወይንም when he's in a relationship, it's like he doesn't have to. So ገና ሲጀመር መስራት ሳያቅ የገባ ከሆነ ደግሞ imagine. And I feel like it's a partnership, you know what I mean? I love you, you love me. I will probably do most of the cooking because I love you. And that's dumb, but as a woman, I don't know, as a woman, generalize lark. Me personally, I've seen myself in situations and I'm going to be so dumb. So I just want someone who's gonna be as dumb as me. So I think ወንዶች መጀመሪያ ማወቅ አለባቸው. Something fell, hopefully not in my house. Naya. I just say this because I love men. And to be fair, my friends, my girlfriends, my ሴት ጓደኞች ከባድ ጊዜ ያረጋችሁት እኮ ሰው በሰላም መኖር የማይችልበት. My female friends በፊት የማይችሉ እንኳን ከነበረ I bought this pan for specific purposes. Did not use them for that purpose, but it was a good $1,700. I don't know. Tefal no ምናምን ነው. Yes, tef እንትን ይላል. Don't use that one. You guys, I'm ready to go, to be honest with you. I'm not trying to find a reason to stick around. Does it give you cancer? Okay. I guess it does. Allah. I hope I don't get anything. I hope I don't get sick. መቼም ቢሆን ግን እንዳልኳችሁ I'm just going to be like, well, my time to meet Jesus. Or God. I want to thank Jesus and God, but Justin Bieber. And people still make fun of him for that, but God and Jesus clearly like that man. Everything's going well for him, except his mental state. Yeah. So anyways, ባለፈው ከትፌ ቲማቲም በስቶብኝ ያስተረፍኩት አለ ከዛ እቺ ቲማቲም ድልህ ስንት ብር እንደሆነች ገምቱ. This is my safe space, okay? I can't talk about this on TikTok because people are dumbasses sometimes. Not everybody. I love my people there, but 40 ብር 40 ብር. What do you mean? ደግሞ ቀጭን ነው. እንትን ሄጄ ካርቶን እገዛለሁ ይቆይ. Queens, cuz እንትን የሚባለው ምንድነው ስሙ? Eat fruit or ኤልፎራ or whatever. ኤልፎራ እንኳን እንቁላል ምናምን ነው. ብቻ ግን እነሱ Eat fruit ይሁን whatever የዛ ካምፓኒ የራሳቸው አላቸው ሜድ ኢን ኢትዮጵያና ይሄ መረቅ በሉት. እግዚአብሔርን ቀጭን ነው. የነሱ አሪፍ ነበር አልቆብኝ ነው ነበረኝ. ዘይቱ በዛ መሰለኝ. I don't even like oily ሲሆን ምግብ. I don't know why ብዙ እንደማረግ. ቀነስ ነው ማን ይከለክለናል? Oh my god, ለመጥበሻ ያረኩ ነው የሚመስለው. That's crazy. So, yeah, like I was saying earlier, before I interrupted myself, my girlfriends who didn't know how to cook, when they got married and when they had kids and stuff, they learned how to cook, Allah. So, like, I think as women, naturally, ለአብዛኞቻችን ያ ነገር it just becomes a part of something that we have to do. So, teach your sons how to cook. Teach your sons to be full human beings. Allah, they deserve that. I feel like የጠቀምናቸው የመሰላቸው ሳንወዳቸውና የሚያስፈልጋቸውን ነገር ሳናሳያቸው ነው የምናሳድጋቸው. Yeah. So, I don't know. Everybody should know how to cook, but especially boys. Since Chef Yohannesና Chef Gordon Ramsay እንደቀረብን አስቡ because we didn't teach these boys how to make food, right? Okay, so ሽንኩርቱን I put it in the pan and እሱ በስል ሲል ቲማቲማችንን እንጨምራለን እያልን እንቀጥላለን ላችኋለሁ. ሙያ in the kitchen with Sasu. Literally ማለት ነው ሜሞሪ ፉል ብሎኝ እሱን ለማየት ስሞክር ሽንኩርቱ ከቡኒ ወደ መሆን ሌላ ከለር ወደ መያዝ ሄዷል ግን ችግር የለውም ቲማቲማችንን እንጨምራለን because at the end of the day it's never that deep. Also ምን ማድረግ ይቻላል ልጆች የሉኝ እናንተ እንዚያው ስል ምናምን ማለት አልችል so I guess I just have to swallow it up and be like it's my fault. ነጭ ሽንኩርት the way I love ነጭ ሽንኩርት. It's my absolute favorite thing. መጠን ምናምን ይባል ነገር አላውቅም ዝም ብሎ መጨመር ነው. This is measure with your heart and I guess live in mess. ግን next time ይሄ ነገሩ ካውንተሩ ይቀየራል። ለዛ ነው ዝም ያልኩት እንጂ ካውንተሩ ሲቀየር ማለት ነው ንጹህ space all the time. I'll put a little light here so you guys I can film እዛ ጋር and you can see. memory full እያለ ማለት ነው እያዛገኝ ነው but anyways ይሄን ይመስላል መጀመሪያ I'm just praying that ስጎ በስቶ ዙኪኒ አይበዛም ስጎ አንሶ ዙኪኒ አይበዛም ግን like you know what I mean ዙኪኒ ሙትት ነው የሚለው እሳት ሲነካው so hopefully ዙኩኒ so the ዙኩኒ ቶሎ ይሞታል ቤት ስፈረጋለሁ anyways BRB okay so ይሄን ይመስላል I did taste it to be honest ትንሽ ይቀረዋል ዙኪኒው Jesus so I'll be back don't look at my cabinet okay my counter it's gonna be fixed this is the final result ብዙ ነው the bowl ትልቅ ስለሆነ አያስታውቅም እንጂ it's quite large okay test እንዳልኳችሁ ቅድም ቀምሻለሁ ግን በደንብ በስሎ ምን ይላል የሚለውን አብረን እንትላላችሁ I find it so funny making content is so embarrassing I'm just in a room talking to myself you guys ስጎ በዙኩኒ እንጂ I don't know I mean like pasta on replace ያደርጋል probably not but it's healthier probably so I don't know try it if you want love you bye